Hi everyone, Sarah here and doing a quick unboxing of the Take Me Home kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. I'm going to start out with this stamp set. I love this stamp set. There are so many different sayings and stuff, and I can use it year round, not just this time of year. We do a lot of cooking and baking in my house, so it'll be great. And then I'm going to move everything out of the side and go ahead and open up the main kit. I do have the pattern paper add-on, which I don't show. I show it, but I don't go through it. I love the sequin mixes that we get. They're all different. And I didn't know if I'd like these. I'm going to be honest, but I love these. They are so cute. I love the house, the different little frames. And I have I know what I'm going to use that one for. But I love these. I think they are amazing. I love the colors, and they're not too thick, so that's great. And who doesn't love gold thickers? I love the gold thickers. And there are so many pieces in this. And I apologize, I didn't show every single piece, I don't believe. But there are so many different bits and pieces. I love the little oven. It's so cute. All these journaling places. Cute little pieces to layer. I love the little pot holder and the cupcake things that say yummy. Little piping bag. That fridge is so cute. I love that fridge. And all these little labels or tags, whatever you'd call them. I like the fact that I can layer pretty much any of this and add it here and there. Those little rolling pins that say gather and family and here, those will be fun to use. And that little jar is awesome. I like these Pink Fresh Studio frames. That's what they are, frames. I like the different colors, the fact that they can be layered as well, and they go so well with everything. These fancy pants stickers. I love the fact that there are little feet kicked back, like with a book or a coffee. I could totally use these. Again, everything amazing for layering. I love the little bug down in the corner. That was just so cute. I think the little bugs are amazing. And then these awesome papers. They're so bright and beautiful. I love that. And the little polka dot on the back. Beautiful flower. And is that how, I don't remember what that is called. Herringbone or... All I can think of with so many of these papers is fussy cutting, and I'm so glad that I got the pattern paper add-on, because just like that page, I will probably be fussy cutting multiple pieces out. All these little journaling cards, they're awesome. So many different things that you can do with all of this. These American craft papers that you can mix and match in there with them as well. I love the little houses. And that pretty stripe. These deer are the cutest little thing. I love the mama deer with a little baby. Fawn. They're called fawns. I love this other fancy pants paper. I love that color. I don't know what you would call it exactly, but I love that yellowish greeny color. And all these flowers. Again, fussy cutting and layering is all I can think of. And I love this white, where it looked like tile with the hexagons. I apologize because you can probably hear my cats and my dogs in the background. My cat is ready for me to not be in my crafting area and to go chill out with him. There's the pattern paper add-on, and here's the cardstock add-on. I love this little minty polka dot paper. It's just so pretty. The pink is gorgeous. Always love the white. And that craft paper, it has a polka dot on it as well. The minty one, you can't feel the polka dots. You can't feel them, but on the craft one, it's raised, and it's so awesome. Just that little bit of extra texture. I think that it works really great. Here is the, here's the embellishment add-on. I am so sorry. All these pretty little fancy pants pieces, little edges, all those beautiful flowers and little cards. Again, constantly thinking of layering and fussy cutting. That cute little bike. Not sure what I'm going to do with Honey for sale, but I'll figure it out. I love these cute little doilies. And Busy Bee made me laugh, reminds me of one of my little ones. And I love all these tags. So many tags, so many ways to layer and add little pieces, add hidden journaling. You know, even if you just write on the back and slide it behind something, so cute. I love these. They're all just adorable. And the colors are so soft and nice and mix so well together, even with the bright colors that are in some of the other papers. I love these little doilies. They're just so delicate. They're so sweet, and they'll be great to layer in there as well. These are so cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the pumpkin one. I'll still find a way to use it because I'll be hated on probably for this one, but I am not a pumpkin spice girl. Not a big fan of it. I like apple spice. I like apple spice bars, but I'm not big into pumpkin. Is there anybody else out there that's just not that big into pumpkin? No, I like that kind of pumpkin. I like anything that's got the little pumpkins or mushrooms on it. Those are just cute as can be. All these different little sayings. It's just so cute. It reminds me of nothing but fall. And all these little bitty pieces. I didn't even realize that they did this in a lot of these collections now, or the embellishment packs. Or this is, I guess, one of the first ones I've seen in a while where you can just rip them apart and there's a bunch of them. I love the cute little sayings that are on some of these. The hello gorgeous, making a play on the words for the gourds. You're the apple of my pie. Fall is my favorite F word. There's a ton of little things. Love this. Fall la la. I need a ton of paper that just looks like the top of that tag. I love that. I think it's just so cute with the little mushrooms. Of course, there's little tags that say, hey there, pumpkin. Autumn is my favorite. Fall days are the best days. I agree. I love the fall, especially here in the South. It's so hot, and we keep getting teased with it, but it hasn't came yet. But I can still hope. There are other little I love the frames. The frames are cute. All the little tags and everything that come in here. There are just so many things to layer. It's just awesome. And I love the gold foil accents on so many of these. It's just beautiful. I'm sitting here redigging through everything. I apologize. There's that. I love that. It's baby, it's lukewarm outside. That completely goes for where I live. So I thought that was very funny. It made me laugh a little bit, and it'll end up on one of my layouts, that's for sure. There's the vellum pieces. They also have the gold on them and everything, and they're just so pretty and delicate, and I love them. I'm sitting here playing with them again. I probably shouldn't do that while I'm trying to do an unboxing. Now, this piece there, it said, change is a beautiful thing. I love that. It's great for especially fall, and I've seen a ton of little things here and there about how the leaves are going to show you how change can be beautiful. I think stuff like that's pretty. I love these. I wasn't quite sure. I can't wait to actually try them. I was so surprised to turn it over and see that there was more pretty things on the back to play with. I was excited. Now, these foam stickers that we're fixing to look at, I push myself to use pre-made titles as much as I can. I love these stickers. They're amazing. And so I want to use as many as I can. So I think they have a lot of cute sayings. But that's about it. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Come back, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.